Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is me, Sameem Habibi, and in this clip, I'm gonna be trying to briefly show you and explain to you some of the very important and widely used Excel tips, tricks, and shortcuts. So as you're watching on the screen, I've already brought up an on-screen keyboard in order to make it easy for you to catch me up while I'm showing you the shortcuts or the keyboard shortcuts. Anyway, let's go. The first thing, for example, I want to enter a certain amount of text on the screen. For example, I select this area and I want to put for example, any text here. So for example, Sam Habibi or Sameem Habibi. The shortcut for that one is Control and Enter. It wholly or entirely covers the selected area. I press Control and Enter. It wholly or it entirely opens up. So the second one, how if you want to put filter on the first hit or on the header of this text, how could you use filter? So you just click here and then the shortcut is Control Shift and L. Control Shift and L. You see the filter is appearing here. You can put it up there and still it works. It doesn't matter. And if you just want to remove it, do the same thing. Anyway, what is the shortcut to give this one a border? For example, this area, I want this to have a border. So the shortcut for that one is press Alt H B and A. You see? Now we have a border. And what is the shortcut for that one? To remove the border. Again, Alt H B N. So let's try this one. Alt A B N. Oh, sorry. Let me try this one. Alt H B N. You see the borders disappear. And the next one, how to remove or add a new column or row. For example, this row, we want to remove it or we want to delete it. Click on this one and then Control and negative sign. Control plus negative sign. Let's try. You see one of the borders disappeared. One of the column actually. So how to create a new border? The same thing, almost the same. Plus Control, Shift, and plus. Control, Shift, and plus sign. Control, Shift, and plus sign. You see a new column is created. If you put this one on the row, it will do the same thing. You see, and now it keeps removing that one. So these are the sheets. What is a shortcut to create a new sheet or further sheets, for example, more sheets? The shortcut for that one is uh, Shift plus F11. F11 is not appearing here, but it is there somewhere on your keyboard. You can find it, F11. So I'm pressing that one, and you see a lot of new sheets have been created. But to delete the new sheets, but before deleting, let's see how can we switch between through the sheets. The shortcut for that one is Control. Either you can use Control from here and page up and down. Where is page up? Page up and page down. You see now I'm going through the sheets And coming back to the first sheet. To delete that one, first press Alt, E, then L. Alt, E, and L. Not at the same time, after each other. First, by this order. Alt, E, and Alt, E, and you see one of them disappeared. One of them has been deleted. Alt, E, L. Alt, E, L. Alt, E, L. It depends on your fast typing skill and your familiarity with the keyboard. Anyway, these were the some of the very common shortcuts of Excel, which is definitely gonna help you if you, especially if you're using Excel. But there are also many other tips and tricks I'm gonna show you. For example, if you have a lot of numbers and if you want to add all of them at once, the shortcut that one is Alt plus equal sign. Alt equal sign. You see now it is the numbers have been added up and this is the result. And what is the shortcut key to go down there at this like at once at the end of this worksheet? Press Control and arrow down. Control and arrow down. It just took me at the end, which is the very last row of Excel. And going back all the way to the first one, Control and arrow key up. The arrow key up. So this is the shortcut for that one. And horizontal, you can do the same thing, Control arrow key. This one. And coming back all the way here. So thank you very much. I think if this was useful and helpful, make sure to share it with your friends and colleagues. And remember to subscribe to my other social platforms such as an Instagram, TikTok. You may find a lot of other informative and learning visual contents, not in the area of technology, but also in the field of business administration and particularly management, very particularly project management, as well as finance. Thank you very much and stay tuned for my upcoming videos.